Next up, Grand Parade Investments, which is a Western Cape-based empowerment group. It has interests in Grandwest Casino, Burger King, and recently bought a 10% stake in Spur. It has a market cap of 1.9 billion rand, a price to earnings ratio of 37.89, and a dividend yield of 5%. So I just want to go straight away to the share price of Grand Parade because it got very exciting, in 2013 where Burger King, you couldn't get a burger there because the queues were so long. Everyone was very excited. It was supposed to sell that stake in Grandwest to Sun International and Tsogo. That fell through. Competition Commission seems to be blocking everything in that sector at the moment, and they were going to use that cash to bring on the Burger King. So maybe under a bit of pressure at the moment, and we can see in the share price.
Yeah, we can see it. I mean, it's very it's quite a focused investment now with the Burger King stake. I think they've put a lot behind it, and a lot of the future of this group will depend on the performance of that. I think it has been good. They've had almost 6 million customers through their doors since they launched. You mentioned the queues and all of that, and that's great. Great brand behind it.
And now they're bringing in Dunkin' Donuts.
Yeah, that's right. Another international brand coming in. We've got Krispy Kreme that was also brought out. There's also an ice cream.
They've
also brought
similar
out
to Haagen-Dazs.
Correct. So we've really, we've got this deluge of high-level brands. There looks like there's a sustained appetite for it. But yeah, maybe just a bit too soon to tell in that regard. One to definitely watch closely, but also that interesting mix of the gaming and the and the burgers.
You get the feeling that they're trying to get out of the gaming, though. They made a strategic decision a few years ago to say, listen, we're getting out of the gaming business. We want to be a restaurant business. They've even bought some behind the scenes. I think Mac Brothers, meat processors, catering type businesses. So they're certainly targeting, that sector. And I think it's a good decision. I think long term, the food business is probably more exciting than gambling.
I think so. And what you've got here is they're starting to move down the value chain with a bit of that processing logistics, but they're nowhere near as entrenched as the Spurs and the famous brands are. So there's still some risk that they aren't sufficiently diversified maybe in their offering.
Their share prices come back heavily. I think they reached 6-7 rand, trading in the 3s to 4s.
Around
so there. Is this a buying opportunity? It's going to be a long haul, I think.
It will be. I don't think they're doing anything wrong. I just think there's more risks when you compare it to the two other big companies we've spoke about so far. I'm going to be cautious and not hot this one.
Finally we agree.